Welcome to Samba. In this video, we will take a look at the second email trigger feature called shopping intention. This trigger automatically responds to the customer's shopping intention. With the shopping intention trigger, you can automatically target those customers who have currently viewed something on your website and have not purchased any of these products or any other similar product in the category. So, let's see how to work with this feature. Firstly, create a new campaign. In this step, you can create your customer and product conditions. Using any combination of our customer filters, you can specify the group of customers that should be targeted by your trigger in case they have an interest in the products that you specify below. If you don't want your trigger to aim at all your products, use product filters to specify which products must be your customers interested in order to receive a trigger email. The more you specify these two parts, the more personalized can your communication be. The second part contains a basic email setup, such as subject and pre-header text, or template selection. Don't forget that we have specific types of drag and drop templates for each one of our triggers. When you have everything set up, you can either create another step or activate your trigger. It's good to mention that there is a target priority with the higher listed campaigns having a higher priority in case of this trigger. If a customer would be targeted by more than one trigger campaign at the same time, the one with higher priority will be sent. So, this would be everything to our second trigger, shopping intention. Next time, we will take a look at our third trigger called repeated orders. So until then, I wish you a great day and bye.